Hey everyone, Rannie Au GoGo here, and this is my class on Magic and Spiritual Transformation. Today we're going to be talking about cleansing, spiritually cleansing your space. You know, a lot of us want to ask for more when spiritually we just don't have room for more. You know, we're hoarding all this bullshit. I'm going to show you how to connect with spirit and the elements to get your place clean and cleared so that you can welcome all the good stuff that you really want to manifest in your life. Spiritually cleansing your home is a lot different than just regular cleaning. You know, you want to clean your space with a good attitude. You don't want to have a stank attitude when you're spiritually cleansing because you're infusing the space with your energy. If you try to clean your space with a stank attitude, then you're basically going to be spreading all that stank around your space. So when you're spiritually cleaning, you really want to take your time, listen to some good music that you enjoy, and have fun with it. I know it seems a little tough to think of cleaning as fun, but just try to imagine that you're, creating this party space, this fun, inviting space for you and spirit to vibe. Don't think of it as a job. Don't think of it as a chore. You want to clean with purpose. What is the intention of cleaning this space? You know what I mean? So like I said, spiritually cleansing your home takes time. You really want to clean everything. You don't want to leave any clutter or mess in spaces. You really want to get in there. Like when I had my spiritual awakening, it took me literally 3 months to get my home cleaned. I washed down every wall, every door, every window, every floor. I cleared out closets. I found a home for everything, so I didn't leave clutter around. So that's one good thing to do, is find a home for things. Like if you have a lot of random little knickknacks or random change and stacks of paper just sitting out, you can always get little boxes or totes to put these things away so they're accessible but not on display. You don't need to display all your bullshit because this takes a lot of time. Try not to overwhelm yourself, just do one room at a time. I started with my bedroom and then I did my bathroom. If you're starting to feel tired or cranky as you're cleaning, then just stop. Like I said, this is a process and you really want to put that good energy in. If you're going to be spiritually cleansing your space, it's really great to be mindful of the 4 elements as you're clearing and cleaning. When you think of the element of air, that's vacuuming, that's sweeping, dusting with like a feather duster, clearing space with sacred smoke, which I'll get into in another video. When I think of the element of fire when it comes to cleaning, that's again burning incense or bundles to clear space. You can burn a candle for clearing space. You can set the intention that the light of the candle is going to help clear the space for you and to welcome the energies that you want to welcome into this space. The element of water would be clearing sprays, cleansing sprays, floor washes, window washes, essential oil diffusers. The element of earth when it comes to cleaning is using salt. Salt is a super cleanser. You can also have crystals placed around your home for clearing energies and welcoming the energies that you want to bring in. Also, the plants, house plants are very clearing. They clean the air, and just working with any plants, herbs, or flowers to help freshen up the space. I'm not going to get into how to clean your space, but just be mindful of clutter, put things away, find homes for things. I'm going to get more into the spiritual aspect of cleaning because you can Google how to clean your home and find a whole bunch of shit. So start there, get rid of the clutter, get rid of the junk, all the bullshit that you're holding on to. If you don't need it, just get rid of it. It's springtime. It's time to get rid of that shit so you can feel renewed. And like I said, if you want to really manifest what you want in life, you can't be hoarding bullshit. You have to clear space in order to welcome the shit that you want. Spiritually cleansing means going into your closets and getting rid of all the stuff that you don't need. Make space. Here are some helpful tips when it comes to spiritually cleansing your home. So after you've gotten rid of all the clutter, you're going to start dusting. Get rid of all the dust. I'm going to show you how to make a spiritual wash that is multi-purpose. You can use it to wipe tables, walls, floors. So that video is here. You can use a spiritual wash, or in a pinch, if you don't have time to make your own spiritual wash, you can always use Florida water. Florida water is something that my ancestors enjoy. You just put a splash of Florida water into your regular cleaning wash. So you'll use your spiritually charged wash or your Florida water wash. As you cleanse, you're going to be moving your hand in a clockwise motion, and just imagine putting that good energy into the space. Like, imagine that you're getting rid of the negative energy and welcoming love, prosperity, peace, whatever energies that you want to invoke into your space. When I had my spiritual awakening and Spirit was telling me how to spiritually cleanse my house, I wiped down all my walls, all my floors, all the windows. Now whenever I clean, I just get all the surfaces, tables, floors. I don't necessarily clean the walls all the time, but the first time you do a spiritual cleansing, I would suggest you try to, because when I did it, it really made a difference in the way my home felt. Like, the walls literally looked like they were like vibrating at a different rate. It was insane. When you're using that wash, imagine the water doing the cleansing and the herb really infusing the space with that good energy, the energies of your intention. After you dust, you want to vacuum or sweep, and that's welcoming the element of air into the space. One tip that I have is, if you have carpets and you can't use any washes to wash the floor, you can get salt and sprinkle it around the carpet to help absorb any negative energy. A simple recipe for a cleansing salt would be just plain sea salt combined with a little bit of rosemary. Blend them together, let them sit for a while, then you would sprinkle it around the carpet, let it sit for a little bit, and then vacuum it up. You could also place it at windows and other areas of the home if you feel it's necessary. Oh, speaking of salt, I love my Himalayan salt lamp. Himalayan salt lamps definitely work at getting rid of negative energy. I keep one near my bedside and I notice a huge difference. It's just something to think about if you want to incorporate more of the element of earth into your space for clearing and cleansing. After you vacuum, if you have hard floors, then you can use a spiritual wash that I gave the recipe for, or the Florida water blend, to infuse the floors with that good energy and just really get into it. You want to almost be dancing. You're dancing with water and the herbs and spirit to really clean and clear the space and welcome in those good energies, you know? After you get rid of all the dust and you sweep and vacuum and mopped up and wipe down the doors and the windows, then you can clear the space with smoke, and I will get into that in another video. Those are my tips on how to spiritually cleanse your home. You know, it's springtime. Enjoy the process. Get rid of the bullshit so we can start manifesting. It's a process. Spiritual transformation is a process. Thank you for watching my video. You can actually go to magickaugogo.com, MagickAugogo.com, and you can download the free PDFs that go along with these classes. You can also donate at magickaugogo.com so I can continue making these classes for y'all. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a spiritually charged floor wash to help get rid of negative energy and welcome in love, prosperity, and good energy into your space. See you then.